Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set highlight color in the Google Slides app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Slides. Here it opens up like this. From here we just have to select the document that we want to work on. Then we have to tap on a text box that you want to edit. And then here we have this sign. If we tap on this, this is the highlight color. We can select the color that we want to use as the highlight for our text. Here we can select the shades as well. And yeah, we can even select the theme, for example. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.